Good morning. Welcome to This Week at EPL for the week of Monday, March 8th, 2021. I'm Andrew.
I'm Zach.
Did you know, Zach, I went and got a kid's meal at McDonald's today, or
Oh,
this
really?
weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah, but my wife wasn't very happy because I took away our son's food.
Well, I suppose as long as you didn't take the Happy Meal toy.
Yeah. Oh, it was Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
Pokemon
I hear those
cards.
are hot items at the moment.
Pokemon cards are in Happy Meals. So anyway.
Must be nice to be a kid today.
Yeah, indeed. So what have we got to talk about? First thing.
Couple things we've got going on this week we wanted to highlight. First of all, if you're looking for a book or an item, then you don't really know what you want. If you're interested in something, you can always go on to our personalized staff suggestions page. We've got a little website with different librarians, and they have little bios, and you can get a personalized suggestion from them based on kind of your interest or what you're looking for. So go ahead and go to the library services page and then click personalized staff suggestions. And here you can find different people's bios and their interests, and they can give you a personalized expert suggestion.
Yep. It's pretty cool. You can click on there and request something, and they'll get it set aside for you and whatnot. Let's see. We're going to go on to, speaking of other items and things like that, we're going to go on to some new graphic novels and manga that we want to highlight. The first one here I'll do this again here, is Class Act. And it's a companion book to the Newbery Medal winner, New Kid. You can see it says that on the cover there. This time it's Jordan's friend Drew who takes center stage in a story about being one of the few kids of color in a prestigious private school. The graphic novel has been something that's really has really resonated with a lot of not just kids, but everybody. It's an interesting way to portray a story.
Yeah, we have one of the better manga and graphic novel collections in the state too. So it's really neat to see how many times those go out. Prince Freya in the middle here.
There.
Freya thinks of herself as a simple village girl, but her idyllic life is shattered when she is caught up in the aftermath of a treacherous plot. She bears a striking resemblance to her country's beloved prince, who lays dying from poison. So without her ruler, all of her homeland will quickly be engulfed in violence, so Freya must take the prince's place and lead his valiant knights in defending the realm.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah. So, and also, if you don't know what a graphic novel is, it's something it's more than a comic book. It's very detailed artistry that goes into it, but it's also the panels, kind of like a comic book. So there's definitely less text than a regular novel, but it's a new medium way of portraying the story.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun when you can look at something and there are no words there, but you still have basically words that appear in your head or thoughts or things like that.
Right.
The next one here is Redbone, the true story of a Native American rock band. Experience the riveting, powerful... No, I don't know. Riveting... I want to make it sound rock band.
Rock and roll.
I'm not. I haven't had enough coffee. Experience the riveting, powerful story of the Native American civil rights movement and the resulting struggle for identity, told through the high-flying career of West Coast rock and roll pioneers Redbone.
So it's not just fantastical fantasy, but also it's neat to see some of these true life stories told in vivid detail through graphic novels.
Yeah. I was kind of surprised when it was what was the meatpacking book that came out? The Jungle.
Yeah, I think Upton Sinclair's.
Upton Sinclair's Jungle. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I saw that because we have that as well. That's not a new one, so I'm not. Yeah.
But other ways.
But that was pretty cool when you see things like that. I mean, other like Pride and Prejudice. I saw some mangas for versions of that as well.
Right. There's different depictions of the civil rights movement. John Lewis and marching. So it's really neat to see just another medium. Dietrich Bonhoeffer and his campaign against the Nazis in Germany. It's really interesting to see how artistry can bring a different portrayal than the text version. We've also continuing to sign up people for COVID vaccines. If you're still looking to do that, you can call us. You can call 211. Eligibility is now 50 and up, or if you are a healthcare worker, volunteer, or a first responder. You can log into rshot.in.gov to do it yourself. We'll post that link in the description and the timestamps. But that continues to progress. Tax forms are also available now since we're in that season, and you can be printed at no cost as long as you know what forms you want. We can print them off at the library.
Moving on, something I repeated a repetition from last week. The Friends of the Eckhart Public Library, again, they're going to be having their annual meeting on Tuesday, March 16th. So that's going to be not tomorrow, but the week after tomorrow. Just highlighting that again because it's going to be on Zoom. And as well, with the Friends of the Eckhart Public Library, there's going to be the book sale, again, coming up for the first time in some months. I don't remember how many months, so I'll just say some months. That will be in the morning on Saturday, this coming Saturday. And then we're also going to have our shredding services, or not our shredding services, but shredding services available. I believe that's no charge as long as it is personal items. I don't think it can be business items. You can watch it be shredded and everything. It's pretty cool.
If you're looking for a show on Saturday, you can come watch some paper be shredded at
That's right.
high degrees of energy.
You can watch some paper be shredded, and then you can go check out Redbone about some shredding
guitars and injustice.
I feel bad for that one. That was anyway, bad joke. Okay, so the usual assortment of programming as well will be going up on our social media pages, Facebook and YouTube. That's going to be the Storytimes, Sunday at 10 a.m. Those should go up for the Grimm's Fairy Tales. Wednesday at 10 a.m. for Babies and Books. And then we're going to jump ahead to Cooking Across America.
That continues to post each week. Karen makes a dish from across America, usually inspired by different cultures around the United States. Last week was...
That was the Vietnamese
pho. Yeah. Andy made some this week, and I heard that was...
I did. I posted in the... check out that video. I posted on Friday, and then I put a little picture of my version that I made in the comments section for that. So check it out.
I love pho, and it's nice too, as someone who's not an expert at cooking, to be shown how it's really not that complicated to make something that's better than peanut butter and apples. Those will continue to post. We're going to be doing a dish inspired by Irish immigrants this week, a nice stew. So it's always good to have those. And also, Steam will continue to post on Wednesdays. This week we're going to show our trip to Fort Wayne to go down to see the Art This Way displays in downtown Fort Wayne, which is a self-directed tour you can take of public art, huge public art and murals that are up on the buildings in Fort Wayne, and hear a little bit from Alex Hall, who facilitates that in Fort Wayne.
So it's largely a mural thing, which is fantastic. And you think of like murals that may be like faded and old and that kind of thing, but these are really new, very very new, and very vivid, and especially with it being nicer out, it's going to be something that's going to be great to check out.
Yeah.
Because as you'll see, when we went to see it, it was very cold.
Yes.
And it was very icy.
Treacherous to walk.
It was difficult, yes.
But yeah, it's really neat to see, and also hear about the value of public art and what they're trying to do, and also how that relates to some of the art we have here, like on 6th Street and over in Garrett and
That's
things
right.
like that.
Moving on to some of the book clubs as well. Again, right now we're not having book clubs meeting physically, but we are doing a book club-esque thing where Jenny and Darcy are having videos that they record and put out once a month. So this month's Brews and Books, Reader's Delight, Classic City readers, those are going to be going online soon.
Yeah, and you can find those. You can go to our website and go over to Library Services. If you scroll down to Eckhart Public Library Book Clubs and click the link there, and that will show you the different clubs and a link to our video, and then also the discussion questions. So if you want to follow along with that book, if you want to talk about it, those will be posted there, and you can have discussions in the Facebook comments And that's our current hybrid model of book clubs. Those
Yep.
will continue to be updated.
So this is this here behind us. These are, I think, last month's books.
Yeah.
And then the ones that are going to be when they go live on social media, the videos that is, they should be switched over here as well. But you could always still go back and check these ones out. Very, very good things to check out.
Yeah.
Again, Reader's Delight, Classic City Readers, and Brews and Books.
You can find those as well as all of our videos on our video section of our Facebook page. And that's we've got
we're
D&D's coming up.
gonna wrap it up here. So just something that is actually, it is a program as well. So it's not just something that's outside of the library, something fun that we're doing. D&D is having its first session 0 meeting on our Discord server. Now to find that, there's a complicated web address for that I don't have to read out here.
You can always email us at gaming@epl.in.us. LIB.
Gaming at, and then our website, EPL.LIB.IN.US.
Yes.
And it is also marked as an event for Tuesday on our Facebook page, and I think the link is actually there too. Last I saw when that posted. That's just going to be it's beyond the kind of initial call out thing. So if you have interest, you can still always send us a message. Hop in the Discord, introduce yourself. Again, Discord is being a way to talk with voice and chat, things like that.
Yeah.
Anything you have to mention?
I think that's it for this week.
Cool.
Yep, hopefully it'll be nice and warm this
Oh,
week. I'm
yes.
excited for this. All our public art our public book display upstairs is all green
It is.
to further encourage our progress into warmth and growth. So,
Looking forward to the weather.
Yep, it'll be good. So we'll see you if you come in. We're open again 9 to 7 Monday through Thursday, and 9 to 3 on Saturday.
See you next time. Bye.